Hey there, future moneymakers. Are you feeling overwhelmed by all this talk about stocks, 401k plans, TSPs, or mutual funds? Don't worry, today I'm breaking it down so easy, you'll be a pro by the end of this video. Whether you're starting from scratch or just looking for ways to grow your money smarter, you're in the right place. Let's make some money moves. Let's start with a question. Are you saving your money in a bank account? If you are, I hate to break it to you, but you're actually losing money. Why? Because of inflation. Your $100 today won't buy as much next year. Instead of letting your money sit, why not put it to work? That's where investing comes in. Here's an example. If you save $10,000 in a bank account earning 0.5% interest, you'll have $10,050 after a year. But if you invest that same $10,000 in an S&P 500 index fund with an average 8% return, you'd have $10,800. Over 10 years, the difference is massive. Investing is the secret to growing wealth over time, even while you sleep. Now let's talk about two of the most popular tools to grow your money, 401k plans and the TSP, Thrift Savings Plan. A 401k is a retirement account offered by most companies. The best part? Many employers offer a match. For example, if you earn $50,000 a year and contribute 5% to your 401k, your employer might match it with another 5%. That's $2,500 in free money. For government and military employees, the TSP works similarly. It's like a 401k but with lower fees and funds like the C Fund, which tracks the S&P 500, and the G Fund, low-risk government securities. Here's a real-life example. If you invested $10,000 in the C Fund in 2010, it would be worth around $48,000 by now. Let's break down stocks and mutual funds. A stock is a piece of a company. If you buy Apple stock, you own a slice of the iPhone pie. When the company grows, so does your slice. But picking individual stocks can be risky. That's where mutual funds and index funds come in. Think of them like playlists of stocks. Instead of betting on one company, you invest in a whole group like the S&P 500, which tracks 500 of America's largest companies. And for you TSP or 401k folks, you're already using mutual funds. The C Fund is like an S&P 500 index fund, and the life cycle fund adjusts automatically over time. It's like setting your investments on autopilot. Here's a golden rule. Start as early as possible. Why? Because of compound interest. If you invest $100 a month starting at 25, you could have $300,000 by retirement, assuming an 8% return. But if you wait until 35, you'll only have $150,000. The earlier you start, the less you have to invest to reach your goals. Time is your greatest ally in investing. Ready to make your first money move? Here's a quick guide. First, check your 401k or TSP. Contribute enough to get the employer match. That's free money. Next, open a Roth IRA. Your money grows tax-free. Use platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity. Start with an index fund. I recommend an S&P 500 index fund. Stay consistent. Even $50 a month adds up. Still not convinced? Check this out. A friend started maxing out their TSP at 20. By 40, they had $300,000 in their account. Another person invested $5,000 in Tesla stock in 2015. By 2024, it was worth over $150,000. While not every investment hits big, consistent investing always pays off in the long run. That's it, folks. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius to start investing and building wealth. Just take small steps today, and your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and share this with someone who's ready to make some money moves. This is your name, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's secure that bag. Upbeat outro music, Money Moves logo, and a final CTA to subscribe and watch the next video.